everyone doing well? Welcome back to my channel Joe PJ. Today I'm going to show you unboxing video. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching and let's get started. This is the one, guys. I hope you can see. I move in and out a little bit to see. It's quite big though. And it's called 12 inches fill ring light stand. You see? This is rotation 160 degrees. Second one is the USB power. Last one was suited for smartphones up to 9 cm wide. Cutting knife here. So open it. It looks like it has, look like empty. Yeah, it's empty. The second one, which has something in there. Here, the stand. It's quite heavy, guys, quite heavy. Here we go. I think it's just the empty one. Let's get started. So the first one, which is this one, I believe the ring light, which is this area in this box, and all the cables and things. Let's see what is inside. I'm so excited, guys. Ta-da! Here we are. Got some manual paper. I'll put it aside first. We got the ring light here, which is quite decent size. Let me have a look. It's at 12 inches. Let me see. Right, guys, exactly 12 inches. Side here, they have the power button. This on and off power. This is plus and minus for adjusting the light. This is the adjustable light system, I think, because they have 3 modes of the light, like blue light, warm light, and a natural light. And the last one is timer, which is 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. Good, isn't it? Let's move to the bottom. So you got a 1/4 inches screw on this one, so you can mold everywhere, every tripod you have. And on the back side of it, this one is the micro USB for power. Here we go. Let's move to the next one. So we got a cable, and we got a, what do you call this one? Ball head mold, something like that. And then on the middle you have the ball, so you can adjust it and move it like any position you wanted to. So I put it up there first. And for cable, cable USB-A, and the other side is, I think it's called micro USB. And then you got quite long cord. Let me have a look. I believe it's one, and well, 2 meters. This one is 2 meters, guys. It's quite long though. Let's move on to the stand in that long box here. Nothing in there. Right. And you got one bag. You got one bag of the stand, plus 2 little things inside. You see it's moving around here. 2 little things inside. I don't know. I take it out first because it's moving out. Alright. So you got another head ball in the Ziploc bag. Let me open up for you. here we go. Another head, ball head, mold things. It's quite heavy, guys, quite heavy. And next one is the phone mold. I think this is the one that they say can fit the phone up to 8 to 8.5 centimeters. If you measure from here, about 8 thôi. If your phone is bigger than 8 centimeters, I don't think you can do it. Anyway, but you can find this one from other store to fit your camera, and you just mold this one to the tripod with, which I think you can use it. But that piece, just if your phone is bigger than 8 centimeters, 8.5 centimeters, you throw this one away. Let's go starting to the sand. Here we go. Is that one piece? The 1/4 inch screw for both of them. And this is the arm. So I think this one is attached to the phone mold. The one that we put phone on that to make a selfie. The ring lights on this one. Let's see, guys. Are you ready? You guys can see? I'm going to open it. Turn it on. And off. And on. And off. Let's see. I'm turning it on first. And let's see how many modes. They have 3 light modes. This is the white and blue and warm. White, blue and yellow. White, blue and yellow. I think this is the... Let's go back to the first. Okay, let's see how many steps they have, how many adjustable steps, lighting we can have by this one. So I push the plus button here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's 10. Let's do with the other light, blue. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next one to the natural one. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Move this one against the camera, guys, so you can see how different of it. So I move it. Right, this is the natural light in the highest one. It's not that high, like high to me, just reflecting out of my face. Let me turn it off so you can see how different. This is no light. Nothing at all. You see, guys, this is nothing. I turned it off, so let me turn it on again. And yeah, how do you think about it? I quite like it though. Turn it off again and on. Yeah, how do you think about it? It's quite fun though. I'm not expected to have this one quite good. Anyway, okay, I'll move the modes of the lighting mode to blue. This is nothing, and I start counting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the highest. See? You think it's different? I think it's a bit soft in my face a little bit, which is good. So how do you think about it? I'll change it to the warmth. This is the warmth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the highest, guy. And I think it softened my face a little bit. It's not like light like the other ring lights, but I think this one filled it up as like make it not really harsh on the object face. I say, guys, I quite like it. And this is the one. Oh dear. For $55, I think it's worthy. It's really worthy. Kmart, they could really have good products in there as well. Also, as if we don't like it, we could take it back, or you know. Well, Kmart is my favorite store though. Kmart, I'm crap up for you. You're doing pretty good job. It's really good stuff here. I'm really happy with it. Really long on this video. I don't think it's going to be that long though. Well, now it's going to be the end of my video. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy my video. And if you like it, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.